What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Exclusive 420 back with another reaction video. We going the science route with it. We're reacting to What If. A lot of y'all might know this channel, a lot of y'all might not. What If is like a science slash, it's just a bunch of what if scenarios type stuff, you know what I'm saying? This one is what if there was air in space. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video if y'all like it. If y'all don't, man. That's whatever, though. Let's get it.
Out for a routine spacewalk. Suddenly, your helmet comes loose. But instead of suffocating, you breathe in fresh cosmic air.
Imagine.
How far-reaching would this space atmosphere be? Why would space suddenly become so loud? And could this lead to the destruction of the whole solar system? This is What If, and here's what would happen if outer space was breathable.
Let's get it.
The atmosphere you breathe here on Earth consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases. It's that molecular oxygen that is essential for life.
Y'all think it's another planet out there with all of them gases? Y'all think it's another planet out there like that?
Molecular oxygen is rare beyond the 10,000 kilometers that the atmosphere extends above the Earth's surface. In space, oxygen atoms bind with space dust. They react with hydrogen atoms and create water ice instead of molecular oxygen. But what if we could find breathable air all the way to the edges of the heliosphere? That's the boundary where the sun's gravity is no longer as strong as that of other stars. Would an expansive atmosphere mean you could travel anywhere in space and breathe like you do here on Earth? Surprising breath of fresh air. There would be some other big changes you'd hear of. You'd now be able to listen to the sun and the other planets.
Listen.
In the vacuum of space, sound can't travel. That's because there are too few molecules between the planets and the stars to carry the vibrating sound waves. But in this new space atmosphere,
Interesting.
those sound waves could travel great distances. So you'd be able to hear everything, loud and clear.
That'd be terrible. I already know.
The sun is constantly vibrating at different frequencies. It would be so loud that it would seem deafening. Even considering the great distance between our star and the Earth's surface, it would still reach your ears at a volume of 125 decibels.
So, from my understanding, that's pretty fucking loud. Like, busting your eardrum loud.
Imagine going about your daily routine to a soundtrack similar to church bells. Only it would be as loud as thousands of police sirens.
Jeez.
This would be annoying, but it wouldn't be your biggest problem. In the vacuum of space, there's no friction. That means all the planets and moons orbit the sun without losing speed. Or at least losing it very, very slowly. But now, with outer space filled with air, all the planets would be slamming into air particles at very high speeds. The Earth would experience the same fate as the asteroids that enter our planet's atmosphere. The friction causes them to heat up and burn. So, with the Earth currently orbiting the sun at a velocity of 30 kilometers per second, all that friction would leave us with nothing more than scorched surfaces. And this...
Imagine, sunny day, chilling, it starts to get overly hot, and you see this shit. You see a tsunami of smoke, and the next thing you know, you wake up and you dead. That's all I can say. You wake up and you dead.
Would be
Ain't nobody
far
surviving.
from the
That's
end of the
instant
chaos.
Instant burn.
Eventually,
Space
the
piss.
moon would slow to a complete stop. Yeah, then Earth's gravity would pull the moon closer, and that would result in a devastating collision. If you survived through the scorched Earth, this crash would be the end for the whole planet.
Yeah.
It would tear the Earth apart.
Yeah.
The rest of the solar system wouldn't fare much better. With so much air in it, our solar system could turn into a black hole. This is because all this air would have mass. And with the radius of the heliosphere spanning 90 astronomical units, that's a lot of mass. Yeah, about 5 billion times more than the sun itself.
Sheesh.
So, if the sun's gravitational pull made all this mass compress toward it, the solar system would become increasingly dense. If all that air compressed into a space about 80% of the Earth's diameter, you'd witness the creation of a black hole. I mean, if you were still alive at that point.
Ain't nobody still alive.
That's unlikely. That black hole would be about 1,200 times more massive than the supermassive black hole in the middle of the Milky Way.
Jeez, we got one of them.
Okay, at this point, you and I would be long
That's
gone, and
close in
it
space.
might be for the best,
It's
because
space.
it looks like these two gravitational monsters are about to collide.
Listen, if there was air in space, they probably wouldn't tell us. We probably wouldn't know. We probably think we our heads explode like we normally do. But they wouldn't tell us though. They'd keep that shit a secret for life. If you like this video, man, you want more reactions to what if or anything, drop some videos in the comments. Let me know. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video. I'm gone.